Well, about 3/4 of the way down the driveway, starting this video again. I've been here for about half hour, 45 minutes, I don't know, maybe an hour. And starting to get it. Steve and Liz had it fairly passable to this point. I've done a little bit more to get stuff more out of the road. Probably do that before I walk past it with the saw. I will say that some of the pine trees have had their tops snapped out, but not all of them. There's more lower limbs than maybe what I had anticipated, but it's a 3x3 case, really. Some of it's as bad as I anticipated. A couple of moderate-sized pines right there. I think they're pines, yeah. The tops have come out. Aspen. Okay, take care.
Have a good one.
You too. So I think, ooh, the shed took a hit on the roof there. Looks like the shed, I saw the shed take some other hits up there. Looks like one branch on it. You can see other branches up there on the man cave. This is pandemonium up here. Branches everywhere. Couple pine tree tops right there. Several. Ooh. Got lucky a little bit, no broken windows that I can see so far. Definitely took a hit on the roof there. Hundreds of branches. Did the swing limb make it? Ooh, one broken window. Right there. Not all the way through both panes though. Better lucky than good. The swing limb made it. I'm not sure about the tree, but maybe it could have been worse. Not sure how. Ooh, what happened here? Big tree between the two cabins. Door got pushed open. Window survived. Definitely got one leaning against it. Hope these old pines survive. Those are the downed wires right there. That's where we got to get to. Okay, that's 9 minutes. The garden's in pretty good shape. How about that?